Yeah, yesterday I was out snowmobiling, thought I was going to have a kind of a nice, fun spring day, and ended up talking to my wife on the cell phone and found out that there'd been a flood here. And so I came home and found that the flood had really wiped out most of our creek area, taken the vegetation and almost took out our bridge here. It was covered 6 or 8 feet deep with debris that we had to cut through and move before we could get back in the driveway. And we're still a little concerned because there's a big debris pile that's wedged underneath the bridge, and we're afraid it could maybe back up again. At the very least, it's causing the water to move underneath the pilings that support the bridge, and it may wash it out. You know, it's always been a little creek that runs year-round, you know, usually with a pretty gentle flow. So no, nothing like this.
I grew up the road a few miles up on what is now the Camden Christmas Tree Ranch, and you know, we always had rough winters up here and occasionally a bit of flooding, but this is, wow, this is crazy. Friends called me on the phone and told me about it, and we drove out from Spokane to take a look.